Good morning, everybody. I am so Avtare Madam from Lanza Junior College. Today we are going to discuss differentiation of inverse trigonometric functions. That is exercise 1.2, question number 6, sub questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us see the examples one by one. First one, tan inverse of log x. First, define the function. Let y equal to tan inverse of log x. We know that if y equal to tan inverse f of x, then dy upon dx can be given by 1 upon 1 plus f of x raised to square into f dash of x. This is the formula we are going to use. So write, this is f of x, therefore differentiation of above becomes dy upon dx according to the formula 1 divided by 1 plus f of x raised to square 1 plus log x raised to square into d dx of log x. So write here 1 upon 1 plus log x raised to square, and differentiation of log x is 1 upon x. Therefore, dy upon dx equal to 1 upon x into the bracket 1 plus log x raised to square. This is the answer. Next, consider the second example. Second one is cosec inverse e raised to minus x. Let y equal to cosec inverse e raised to minus x. We know that if y equal to cosec inverse f of x, then dy upon dx can be given by minus 1 divided by f of x square root of f of x raised to square minus 1 into f dash of x. Therefore, write here, this is the formula we are going to use here. So, differentiation of above equation becomes, that is differentiating with respect to x, we get, write first minus 1 divided by f of x. Here f of x is e raised to minus x square root of e raised to minus x raised to square minus 1 into differentiation of the function, that is e raised to minus x. So write here minus 1 divided by e raised to minus x square root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1 into differentiation of e raised to minus x, put e raised to minus x as it is, and differentiation of minus x. Okay, next, see here, this is equal to minus 1 divided by e raised to minus x into square root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1 into e raised to minus x. Differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, therefore here it becomes minus. Minus into minus becomes plus, e raised to minus x, e raised to minus x get cancels. We get 1 divided by square root of e raised to minus 2x minus 1. After simplification, we can write this as 1 divided by square root of 1 upon e raised to 2x minus 1. This is equal to 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to 2x divided by e raised to 2x. Therefore, answer is e raised to x, means taking outside the root sign, we get 1 minus e raised to 2x. This is the answer for second example. Next, consider the third example. That is, third one is cot inverse x cube. Let y equal to cot inverse x cube. We know that if y equal to cot inverse f of x, then dy upon dx can be given by, here dy upon dx can be given by minus 1 divided by 1 plus f of x raised to 2 into f dash of x. So differentiation of this function becomes dy upon dx equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x cube raised to square into differentiation of the function, that is x cube. This is equal to minus 1 divided by 1 plus x raised to 6, and differentiation of x cube is 3x square. Therefore, final answer is minus 3x square divided by 1 plus x raised to 6. This is the answer for third example. Next, consider the fourth example. That is cot inverse of 4 raised to x. First define the function. Let y equal to cot inverse 4 raised to x. Already I told the formula for this, for the cot inverse function. Differentiating with respect to x, we get, see, dy upon dx, right here we can write cot inverse of 4 raised to x. We know that differentiation of cot inverse is minus 1 divided by 1 plus x square. Here 4 raised to x raised to square into differentiation of 4 raised to x. Therefore, this becomes minus 1 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to 2x differentiation of 4 raised to x. This is of the form d dx of a raised to x. Here d dx of a raised to x can be given by a raised to x into log a. So here put 4 raised to x into log 4. Therefore, the answer is 4 raised to dy upon dx equal to 4 raised to x into log 4 divided by 1 plus 4 raised to 2x. This is the answer for fourth example. Next, consider the last example, that is tan inverse of root x. Fifth example, that is tan inverse of root x. Solution. Let y equal to tan inverse root x. If y equal to tan inverse f of x, then dy upon dx can be given by 1 divided by 1 plus f of x raised to square into f dash of x. This is the formula. Okay. Now differentiating the above function, we get dy upon dx equal to 1 divided by 1 plus root x raised to square differentiation of root x. Okay, this is equal to, we can write here square and root get cancels. We get simply 1 divided by 1 plus x, and differentiation of root x is 2 root x. Therefore answer is 1 divided by 2 square root of x into the bracket 1 plus x. This is the answer. Okay, goodbye. We will discuss the next example in the next video.